Ravens are incredible birds with many remarkable abilities. They belong to the crow family, which includes some of the most intelligent animals on Earth. What sets ravens apart from many other birds is their ability to mimic human speech and their skill in solving complex puzzles. These abilities have fascinated scientists and animal lovers alike, showing just how advanced and versatile their minds can be. One of the most amazing things ravens can do is mimic human speech. This means they can copy the sounds and words that humans make. While ravens don't talk like humans, they can imitate words and even phrases that they hear in their environment. This ability is due to their highly developed vocal system. Ravens have a part of their brain that controls their ability to make different sounds, which is more advanced than many other bird species. In the wild, ravens don't usually mimic human speech, but in captivity, where they spend a lot of time around humans, they can learn to copy words, names, or even sentences. For example, ravens have been known to imitate the sound of a phone ringing, a car engine, or the words hello and goodbye. These birds don't fully understand the meaning of the words, but they are excellent at copying the sound patterns they hear. The reason why ravens can mimic human speech is partly due to their strong communication skills. In nature, ravens use various calls to communicate with each other, especially when they want to share information about food or warn others of danger. Their ability to adjust their calls and sounds to fit different situations is what helps them mimic human speech. Ravens are also known for their problem-solving skills. They are not only capable of learning tricks or commands, but they can also solve complex puzzles that require thought and planning. This ability is sometimes called cognitive flexibility, meaning they can think and adjust their actions based on changing situations. One famous example of a raven's puzzle-solving ability is an experiment where ravens were given a series of steps to complete in order to get a piece of food. The food was out of reach, but the raven could solve the puzzle by using tools, such as sticks or ropes, to retrieve the food. In some cases, the ravens not only used tools they were given, but also made tools from things they found, like twigs. This showed that ravens can think ahead and understand cause and effect, which is something that was once thought to be mostly limited to humans and a few other animals, like chimpanzees. Ravens have also shown the ability to plan ahead. In one experiment, ravens were offered a situation where they could choose to use a tool to get food right away, or wait and use a better tool to get more food later. The ravens often chose to wait, which suggests they can think about future outcomes and make decisions based on what might happen next. This kind of thinking requires a level of intelligence that is quite rare in the animal kingdom. What makes ravens even more fascinating is that their problem-solving skills are similar to those of great apes, like chimpanzees. In fact, ravens have been observed to work together in teams to solve problems. They can understand when it's better to cooperate with others rather than act alone, which is an advanced social behavior. In some cases, ravens have been observed sharing food with others in a way that shows they understand the concept of fairness and helping others. This level of social awareness is unusual in animals, and it makes ravens even more intriguing. Their ability to work together, communicate, and think ahead is something that is often seen in primates, but is also present in these birds. The intelligence of ravens challenges our understanding of animal cognition. For many years, humans thought that only a few species, like dolphins, elephants, and primates, had advanced thinking skills. Ravens have shown that birds can be just as smart, if not smarter, in certain situations. This opens up new ways of thinking about the brains of animals and what kind of cognitive abilities they might possess. Ravens also give us a glimpse into how intelligence develops in animals. The fact that they can mimic speech and solve puzzles suggests that their brains are highly adaptable. They don't just react to situations, but they think and plan, which is a hallmark of advanced intelligence. Understanding the way ravens think can help scientists learn more about how other animals might think and reason. Ravens are more than just clever birds. They are problem solvers, skilled communicators, and imitators of human speech. Their intelligence is a reminder that animals can be incredibly smart in ways we might not always expect. From mimicking sounds to solving puzzles and planning for the future, ravens show us that intelligence is not limited to just humans or a few other animals. It's found in the most surprising places, and the raven is a perfect example of how far animal intelligence can go. As scientists continue to study these remarkable birds, we may discover even more about their abilities, giving us a deeper understanding of the animal world.